LCD replacement on Macbook 2337. Thank you, ma'am Eleanor, for trusting PTIT Solutions. Bringing your MacBook to a professional shop for an LCD replacement is an excellent choice. The LCD is one of the most critical components of your device, and attempting to replace it without proper expertise. Major issues: MacBooks have intricate designs, and their displays are highly sensitive. So having a skilled technician handle the repair ensures that the replacement is done correctly and with precision. A professional shop will have access to the proper tools and high-quality replacement parts, ensuring that the new screen matches the original display. In terms of clarity, brightness, and resolution, this helps restore your MacBook to its full functionality and extends its lifespan, allowing you to avoid the cost of buying a new device. In the hands of experts, your MacBook's LCD replacement is handled with care, minimizing the risk of mistakes and ensuring that the repair is long-lasting. Opting for professional service not only guarantees a successful fix, but also provides peace of mind knowing that your device is in capable hands. In the long run, taking your MacBook to a trusted repair shop for an LCD replacement not only guarantees a high-quality, lasting fix, but also protects your investment. You'll regain the pristine display and flawless performance that MacBooks are known for, ensuring that you can continue to rely on your device for years to come. However, at PTIT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. LCD replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.